Hey there, welcome to Real Women, Real Results episode 9, where our clients share their body transformation success stories through Fitnia's 90-day body transformation program. Savita, a finance professional from India who had been stuck for years struggling with endometriosis and zero muscle gain. But in just 90 days, she gained 4 kgs, built core strength, and finally saw results that yoga alone couldn't deliver. This is her 3M method powered transformation.
Completing, I think, 4 months with us. And yeah, we were quite off, on and off before that. We weren't confident that is it actually going to happen. Like I've never just gained and actually ho sakta hai ki nahi. But now finally, I think gained 4-ish kgs, right? Like 40 to 44, I
Yeah,
guess. Yes. So how are you?
yeah.
Has your mindset changed about it? And you were just mentioning about your energy, sleep, and everything. You can explain whatever you've gained in this.
So one is like you already mentioned, right? That I have never gained weight in any of the
Mm,
previous programs which I've had. Okay, so
mm,
this was the first one, wherein I wasn't like 100% into
mm,
it in the first 2 months. Of course I admit it, but then later on when I first saw the results, like the first 2 kgs, after that I really pushed myself to have those
mm,
desired set of calories, exercise, and all of it, so just to see the results, the change in me. So that is something which I'm really like very happy about,
mm.
even though I did not, get
Yeah.
what I wanted. Like I remember I wanted
Yeah.
47, 48,
Yeah.
like with this journey, but I think that's also everybody is different, and then I didn't push myself so hard to just eat because I just couldn't, like, to, like,
Correct.
I
Correct.
mean, so
Yeah.
I didn't want to like push my body so much just to focus on eating, and the zabardasti
Mm.
wala eating I did not want
Mm.
to. So now whatever I'm consuming, it's like it's a happy thing. Like it's not like forcefully fed to me or
Yeah.
something. Yeah, it's like, oh, I want to eat this. Like
It's
that's how it is
sustainable
now.
as well. Yeah, like you can now keep
Yeah,
doing this. You can't keep eating 3,000 calories every day, but this much you can keep
yeah,
doing every day.
yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, so that's about it. Then even the one big change. So like the other change which I really feel, initially I wasn't feeling much in my
Mm. I
energy level
remember.
because I always felt that I have the energy, like, uh no, I think initially I used to feel tired. I remember telling this to
Yeah.
you. But
Yeah.
yeah. Off lately, like it's not that case. And my mornings, like, they're not sluggish morning, like, oh, I have to
Mm.
get up, or a tired morning. It's more like
Mm.
really fresh, if I be honest. I mean, my eyes just open up at 6 and I'm like, oh, I have to get up. And then I get up with a
That
good
motivation
happy.
is
Yeah.
intrinsic.
So
Mm.
yeah, I get up with a good happy thing rather than सुबह हो गई है उठना है. That's not the
Yeah.
thing. Okay,
Mm.
and even energy wise, I can feel it, right? The energy with
Mm.
which I used to get up previously, like it was a tiring one. Even when I
Mm.
had to go do yoga, like, right? I have 3 days
Yeah.
yoga and then 2
Yeah.
days I do this. Even when I
Correct.
had to go to yoga, I used to have that tired feeling, like I
Mm.
was like,
Mm.
that it was there when I used to get up. But now when I get up, I don't get the tired feeling. It's more
Amazing.
energetic, like, and positive. So it's also a lot to do with your motivation. And of course, diet, exercise, and everything is helping everything
Yeah.
together.
That's
That's
true.
it. Then my sleep cycle has also like been very good, like 11 to 6. I sleep at 11,
Amazing.
get up at
Hmm.
6.
Hmm.
So that's good. Yeah, I mean, this is the one
Glad to
change.
hear this.
Like the
Yeah.
one thing which I didn't observe anything was the physical part, but I think it's
Hmm.
okay. I need to work towards it. But I can still see the 4 kg progress and the energy change in me. So I'm really happy about thing. And the one thing which it really, like, the biggest takeaway is,
Hmm.
if you push, you can, like,
You can do
increase.
it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You just
So
also need
that
the right.
works.
Yeah. Correct. No, so you
So
also need like the right guidance as well. Like maybe initially you were not doing it in a way that would actually lead to something. But now, since you
yeah.
know the science behind it, it really helps. And I think throughout the program, we have also focused on meals, movement, and mindset, three of them. So, like you just said, that it was not only the diet and exercises, but it was also the motivation. So, if either one of it wasn't there, I don't think we would have reached here. So, I
Yeah.
think the amazing. So, my second last question would be that how did you feel working with me as your coach? Like, how was it? Any feedback that you want to give me?
No, it was like really great. To be very honest, I look forward to our Saturday's call, and then
Mm.
it's good to have someone to push you. You know, sometimes you become lazy. Like I told you previously,
Yeah,
also when I am into work, I just forget everything. Like even my diet and everything, I forget. Okay,
correct.
so the push, you need that push. You've been very
Mm.
positive. Uh, and even when you want to be strict, you are strict in a positive way. Okay,
Yeah,
it's not like कोई लाठी लेके पीछे खड़ा है कि तुम डर के मारे कुछ कर रहे हो. It is just
correct.
also a different way of communicating, which I felt that
Mm.
sometimes like you used to be so patient and फिर भी मैंने app update नहीं किया. Trust me, I used to feel bad. Like somebody's being so patient with me, and I'm like still not able to just give 10 minutes to update that app.
Yeah.
Like so that's something which I really like about you. That in a
Mm.
silent way, you in a way pushed me to like, yeah, no,
Correct.
I need to do it. Like otherwise kabhi kabhi kya hota hai, if somebody takes a stick
Nudges
behind
you.
you, and then
Yeah.
yeah, then you get annoyed. I was like, नहीं करना है तुमको, क्या है मेरी मर्जी. That
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
mindset
Yeah.
also, नहीं कर रहा है, बार बार कोई करेगा तो कोई irritate हो जाता है. But you have a
Mm.
different approach which actually like which made me also positive. नहीं यार मुझे भी ये करना है ऐसे, like
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that's something I like. Then even your
Amazing.
like the push which you gave me really
Mm.
helpful. Like because I told you in our initial call, I was more like पता नहीं बढ़ेगा कि नहीं बढ़ेगा, because I've tried 2-3 people before, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So but then I'm very happy with the 4 also. I shall be very honest.
Yeah.
It's
That's a
not the one
insane
which is,
progress,
I'm
Savita.
very, yeah, I'm very
Yeah.
happy with the 4th, because it didn't feel like I struggled to get the 4.
Correct. Correct.
It,
Yeah.
it, yeah, it just happened like gradually. Of course,
Mm.
I'm pushing myself to eat more,
Mm.
but that push is also that, not that कि अरे मैं सब जबरदस्ती खा रही हूँ. No,
Mm.
it's
Mm.
happening like
Mm.
organically to me now. So
Correct.
that's there. Then yeah, I
Yes.
think I mean, uh, it was a beautiful experience, if I be honest,
Amazing.
especially
Thank
like
you.
if I see the result. And you've
Mm.
been very patient, and the way of
Mm. Mm.
communicating is also different. So
Mm.
yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. You would definitely recommend this to anyone who comes ahead
Yeah,
of
yeah,
you for any
obviously.
kind of goal, right? Perfect.
Right.
Perfect.
My acne has reduced. So even my
Oh.
yoga teacher was telling me that so 2 days back or 3 days back, she
Mm.
was like, you're looking a lot young these days, like lot younger, like from the
Wow.
day you have joined and all of it. So I think everything together is
Mm.
helping, in my opinion. Like even
Amazing.
yoga,
So,
the exercise,
yeah.
the diet, the motivation, everything. Like so,
I was also
yeah.
going to
She
mention
told me.
that you have a great glow on your face. I maybe because you were sitting in front of the sun, but like I can just see that it's quite glowy. I see your I remember you used to have dark circles as well.
Yeah.
And that has gone away. You look prettier, you look younger, so that is amazing. You didn't need skin products to do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I'm using one which is I personally think it's too good, but then
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I'm using from past 2-3 weeks. But
Okay.
frankly, I've been using a lot of product. I personally think it's everything internal related,
Yeah,
because
definitely.
yeah, I'm
Hmm.
using it from months. I've never got. I mean, not this thing. This thing I've used from 15 days. Like from 15 days,
Yeah.
I'm using a different oil.
Okay.
But previously, like I've used most expensive Korean skincare. Like you name one, I
Ha.
have it in my drawer. Yeah, I still have all
Oh.
of those.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
you name anyone, I have it in my this. And
Mm-hmm.
so then I wanted to stop it because this was not working well. And then I saw this other oil, and I was like, as a person who has acne and जिसको glow चाहिए ना face पे, so you can sell it very easily. Any
Very
product can be
easily.
sold to that person very easily. तुमको सिर्फ ये बोलना है कि तुम इसको एक हफ्ते यूज करो, ठीक हो जाएगा.
साफ
And
हो जाएगा.
I'm the biggest fool of that
Hmm.
the marketing campaign.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so and I have everything. So then I bought this one also, but I think I have bought so many, it never worked. But
Hmm.
the difference was now I'm taking diet and
Hmm.
exercise
Hmm.
and everything also into consideration. So I feel it's all related, not just the oil. Like
It
that's how
is.
it
It
is. Because
is.
oil बहुत
Wow.
movie है पहले, भले ये नहीं है पर
Correct.
बाकी की है.
Correct. No, so I
So
also remember that आपने बोला था कि you have digestion issues and definitely like that's why you were not taking too much protein क्योंकि वो issues हो रहे थे digestion में and digestion or you had something no there was
I
yeah
have endometriosis, but
endometriosis की वजह से you were having digestion issues and stuff I think I remember नहीं maybe it
yeah,
was
in
just one
starting
day
when
then
we started.
hmm
Yeah, starting when we started this
hmm
protein, like because I haven't consumed so much of protein at one go, initially I found it a little, 1 2 days because the bloating and all happened like initially.
Correct,
Later on, it
correct.
was good.
Oh,
Like
so how
digestion.
did yeah, so how do you think the endometriosis also played a major role? Like, I think that it's someone who has endometriosis is just difficult to also gain and also lose. So, but now since you've also gained those 4 kgs, I'm just proud that not because, okay, yes, you were a little inconsistent, but having this condition as well, it plays a major role in not seeing results very quickly. So, I think you should also be proud of yourself, ki, um,
Yeah, could be. So my case is little weird. Generally, if you see anyone with endo, they put on a lot of
put on your
weight.
weight. Ha,
I
ha.
know. Yeah,
Hmm.
they like that is one precondition, like
Hmm.
that will happen like when you have this
Hmm.
endometriosis thing. I don't know, mine is little different. So my weight was, my weight, right? So
Yeah.
it was very surprising. And even when I go to my gynec, she'll be like, "यार इसमें तेरे साथ कुछ अलग हो रहा है," because generally like 90% of the population increase उनका weight ही
इंक्रीज
ज्यादा बढ़ता
करेक्ट
है.
एंड कम नहीं होता
So
फिर वो
हाँ,
या
फिर वो कम
मुश्किल
नहीं
से
होता
होता
है.
है करेक्ट हम्म
But yeah, I think so. I'll say I'll say one thing. I'm even though I have endometriosis, I'm really grateful that my I have never got that crazy pain even during endo.
हम्म
Like whenever I was like,
हम्म
I think I've mentioned this
या
before
या
also. Like
या यू हैव
maybe everything is helpful because I do yoga also. Now I do strength training also. Previously I was doing yoga also. So all those things maybe help to ease out the pain. That's why I never I don't. I mean, I'll say I'm lucky, so I don't get that crazy pain because I've heard people, talking
या
about
या हम्म
the crazy
Oh, so,
pain
but
which
do
they
you
get.
think that also doing the strength training and maybe monitoring your diet better than before has helped you in any way in your periods? Any kind of cramps and वैसे में कुछ help हुआ है?
So, so my
Hmm.
periods were never that painful. Like,
Yeah.
so I
Hmm.
mean, I just stopped endometriosis. So right? I never got. I mean, I didn't get my periods for a very long time when I was on medicine.
Yeah, you
I
did tell
stopped the
me.
medicine in I stopped the medicine in February. After that, I've gotten I think just one. I completed 1 or 2 cycles. I don't remember. I
Okay.
stopped it in March, and I just got one cycle, and it was very smooth. Like frankly, like
Okay.
I
Okay.
didn't even I was
Yeah.
expecting it to be painful because it was
Mm.
after a period of like 7 months. I'm getting my periods for the first time. Like,
Okay. Oh
but
my
that
God.
wasn't the case. It was pretty smooth. I didn't feel it.
Mm.
So maybe exercise helped. But one thing I wanted to tell you, because of
Mm.
this exercise, and I did one yoga asana which involves a lot of core strength,
Mm-hmm.
and I share the picture. I could do it. Like
Please
I was
do.
very happy. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. What is that called? You just you sit on one leg and your other leg is on one of your thighs, and you sit and you fold your hands.
Gaumukh. Gaumukh
I don't know
is,
what
I
is it.
think, ulta. Huh.
वो नहीं वो एक एक पैर पे आप बैठते हो और एक दूसरा पैर आपके दूसरे पैर के ऊपर होता है लाइक थाइस के
पद्मासन में
ऊपर
बैठ के
आई
नॉर्मल.
शेयर द पिक्चर आई
हाँ,
शेयर द
please do,
पिक्चर
please do. Yes, yes.
yeah so I could do that. I felt that I could do because of the exercise thing because it
Hmm.
gave me the core strength.
Hmm.
ओके बिकॉज उससे पहले मैं जब भी वो 50 बार कर चुकी हूँ मैं एक आधा सेकंड के से ज्यादा आई कुडंट होल्ड
Wow.
माय हैंड्स टुगेदर बट
Yeah,
दैट डे आई
yeah.
कुड होल्ड इट फॉर लाइक 5 6 seconds एंड
Hmm.
नाउ द आई एम लाइक एक बार हो गया तो नाउ आई कैन इजीली होल्ड इट फॉर फ्यू
Sit for a
सेकंड्स
whole
लाइक
day. Yeah, matlab, I think strength training definitely helps. That's why I say it's not just for the weight and stuff, but it's so many other things. Now, I think if you also, there are small things like if you want to lift a 25-liter water can जो मिलता है या cylinder उठाना है, it's just very easy for, that's what I've noticed and that's what other people have also noticed कि normal चीजें काफी आसान हो चुकी है कि I
हाँ
don't know.
काफी like even a lot of postures which I used to do previously
Mm,
the number of seconds I can do it now
mm,
is better than what was
exactly.
previous.
Exactly.
That also
Correct.
changed because my strengths
Amazing.
changed. So that also I've observed because of that.
Yeah. And I think I'm proud that you also changed your mindset, Savita. I remember initially you were a little in towards the negative side कि नहीं देखते चलो होता है नहीं होता. But like
हाँ
from since when you've changed it कि नहीं let me just listen to नियति सुन लेती हूँ क्या बोल रहे हो. So I think थोड़ा थोड़ा you've changed your mindset and now you're quite positive कि नहीं हो सकता है मतलब
yeah
क्या ही है. Whatever if I work towards it it'll happen. So that mindset has come.
yeah that's the big thing. Like frankly, that's a
Hmm.
very big thing. This even the I'll tell you for me The biggest milestone for me was the 2 kg gain. Okay, that
हाँ,
actually,
it
like,
changed
you know,
your,
was like,
yeah,
ये हो सकता है यार. I mean, हो सकता है.
for sure. I know. Yes.
So,
Perfect.
yeah.
ठीक
In this program, I have not learned it previously with my both of my, instructors I had, because that was not a teaching. I mean, there was no learning for me for, on
है.
how to consume things and what will work and what not. This was really like
Hmm.
different from that aspect. So I also now even understand that, that's why I consciously asked you, that on the fat and protein thing also, that if you
Correct.
see my chart, what do you feel
Hmm.
about it? Like, I would like to
Correct.
get a feedback on that also.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is one big learning for me. बट इससे
Amazing.
बाकी लोग
Hmm.
बहुत इरिटेट हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज मैं घर पे बोलूँ अरे ये इसमें फैट ज्यादा है, इसमें कार्ब ज्यादा, लाइक शट अप.
I know it happens to me as well. मतलब मैं तो पूरा दिन प्रोटीन प्रोटीन करती रहती हूँ तो मैं मम्मा मेरी माई सिस्टर इज ऑल्सो लाइक हाँ भाई तेरे को प्रोटीन खिला देता है एंड शी इज लाइक हर एक चीज में इसमें प्रोटीन है मम्मी इज लाइक मशरूम देती हूँ मैंने कहा मम्मी मशरूम में प्रोटीन है मम्मी इज लाइक ओ माय गॉड शी इज लाइक अनॉयड कि ठीक है भाई सो या बट इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आवर फैमिलीज ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि even they should do it. I mean, it's not like हम annoy कर रहे हैं, but it's something that everyone should. But yeah, no, I'm glad that was our हमारा motive था. Me and my team both of us, Yash and I, we have starting say we focused on the education part more. Ki everyone understands what it is. That's why we want to independently help them do it on their own. Ki abhi iske baad, even if you're taking a break for a month, but I'm sure that it's now inculcated in you कि नहीं ये है इतना मुझे समझ आ गया है. Now I can do it on my own.
Hmm.
So it has
That's
been.
like a big learning, to be
It
honest.
is.
Like, so, like I said, I would still need you, like, to maintain that
For
thing, or
sure.
even,
Yeah.
get feedback from you. So that's a
Hmm.
separate thing, but still, like, I've got a good
Hmm.
learning of how things work now. So that's a
Amazing.
biggest.
Yeah, it has always been Yash and I our goal कि यही करना है. We should just be able to educate people. So yeah, I think he would also be really happy. I would definitely show this to him.
Yeah, I
But
know.
yes,
I
yes.
wanted to mention it previously, but then वो बात में मुझे याद आया, अरे यार ये तो बोलना भूल ही गई मैं.
कोई बात नहीं. Thanks a lot.
Education.
Thanks a lot. I
Yeah,
would really want you to
education was
share
a
this.
big,
Yeah,
yeah.
I would really want you to share this on the community as well.
Yeah,
Ki,
yeah, I'll put it today, tomorrow,
yes.
definitely.
Yeah,
I'll
put a
put it.
feedback so that they're also motivated. But yes, thanks, Savita. See you soon, Savita. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Bye. Thanks a lot, by the way. Thanks a lot.
It's okay. You too. Bye bye.
Hi, I'm Niyati Chauhan, a certified fitness coach and a home workout specialist. At Fitnia, we've helped transform hundreds of busy working women globally through our 3M method, which focuses on meals, movement, and mindset. Want to feel this alive again, just like Savita? Then watch all the transformations in our Real Women, Real Results playlist. And if you're ready to transform your body and energy in only 90 days, then book your call using the link below.